Welcome back, guys. If you want to save your tab on your Brave browser enough, you have a plan to go a trip, and when you go back, you want to check your tabs in your Brave browser. Today video gonna help you a lot. I will clearly explain to you how can you save your tab on your Brave browser. So if you want to say all open tab on your Brave browser, open your Brave browsers, and for instance, just open different tabs like this. Okay, so after opening your tab, what you need to do is go to your right corner, three horizontal lines, and what you can see is bookmarks and list here. So if you're sure you want to save as your uh you want to save your tab, just click it and go to your open bookmark managers. Okay, so here's nothing. So if you want to save this one, just click it and go to your bookmarks and list again. And if you're sure to save your all tab, this one, and this one. So if you want to save all as bookmark, just click it, bookmark all tab. Okay, and then you can also choose your name, like trips or something, whatever name you want to give. And then if you're sure to save, just save. So after you go back from your trips or somewhere, if you want to chat again, go to your Brave browser again, and in your right corner you can see three button here. So just click it and go to bookmarks and list sections, and you can check your bookmark here. So here's just click it. Open your all in new tab browser, open all in new window. You can choose whatever you like. So your new tab. So your tab already saved in your Brave browser. That's it. This is how to save all open tab in Brave browser when you have to go somewhere or when you want to save your tab like this, you can see as a bookmark. So it's quite easy. You just need to do on your Brave browser by managing in bookmark section. So thank you so much, guys. See you back.